All right, the big news update here. Will the farmers end their protest or not finally? A massive meet by the Samyukta Kisan Morcha will be held to try and deliberate as to whether or not to call off those protests. Aishwarya Paliwal, right there on ground in the thick of things to bring us a perspective on what's going on. Aishwarya, do take it away. Take us through exactly what's the decision of the farmers. We believe a meeting is going to be held soon where they will be discussing and deciding for good whether or not to call off this agitation.
Well, definitely, Nabila. You know, it's been 365 days and counting since we have seen all the borders, be it Ghazipur border, Tikri border or the Singhu border where I am, all of them. We are seeing farmers sitting there. Now, you know, just a look around and you will see definitely the number of farmers are definitely less here at the Singhu border. But we still see all the flags at the moment still flying atop all the tractors. And I'm standing right outside a place where the famous langar is being served. Now, langar is something, Nabila, which has been making sure that people keep on coming to the borders, and for one exact year and more than that, in fact, the langar has been serving food and making sure people do not go back to their houses. Now, the big question, of course, is will the farmers end the protest anytime soon? That's the big question, and we are also understanding that a new draft has been sent by the centre to the Kisan farmers. Yesterday, in fact, there was a very crucial meeting where the new draft proposal, which was sent by none other than Home Minister Amit Shah to the farmers, that was being discussed, and today a new draft has been sent by centre. As we speak, a very crucial meeting is taking place between the farmers of SKM, which is the Samyukta Kisan Morcha. Those people are speaking with senior ministers in the government. So it looks like there is a possibility that we could see the end of the agitation anytime soon. Now, the big question is, will the farmers who have been protesting for over a year now, will they call off the protest? That's the very big question which we are answering now here at India Today at 2 p.m. here at Singhu border, not very far from where I'm standing. There'll be another crucial meeting where all the factions will come together. There are a Samyukta Kisan Morcha's 5 members meet is underway to iron out the differences with the government on pending issues. Now, according to sources, farmer leaders were not satisfied with the centre's draft. Sources also told India Today that the government has agreed to withdraw cases against the protesting farmers with immediate effect. Farmers were also not happy with the amount of compensation that was being paid. Meanwhile, the SKM full body meet will start at 2 p.m. at the Singhu border. Now, this comes after the centre had earlier sent a written draft to the SKM and agreed to withdraw cases against farmers if the agitation is called off. The centre has also agreed to form an MSP panel and to give appropriate compensation. The centre is still not ready to remove the MOS Ajay Mishra Teni, whose son is accused in the Lakhimpur violence case in which 4 farmers were killed. Now, a large section of the farmers group have been wanting to go back home. Now, there are 40 farmers under the SKM, which is the Samyukta Kisan Morcha. Out of those 40, 30 said that they want to go back because the main demand of the government taking back the 3 farm laws, that main demand was already fulfilled. We also have many of our reporters who are spread across various borders. I'm at Singhu border. See, you'll be able to see, food is being taken inside for the langar. Even if the agitation is on the end, farmers are still making sure there's adequate food for everyone. The preparation of the food is also being done inside.
कि संयुक्त मोर्चा एक था, एक है और एक रहेगा। यहाँ रुकना है तो इकट्ठा रुकेंगे, जाना है तो इकट्ठा जाएंगे। लाभ और हानि जो भी होगा सबको इकट्ठा होगा। जो भी होगा, संयुक्त मोर्चे की 5 लोगों की एक कमेटी बनी हुई है हमारी, जो भारत सरकार से ऑथराइज करी है कि वो हर इशू पे भारत सरकार से बातचीत करने के लिए वो जा सकती है। उनकी मीटिंग है, उनकी हो सके कि रात बात हुई हो, नहीं बात हुई हो, फोन पे हुई हो, नहीं हुई हो, वे अपनी मीटिंग कर रहे हैं। अपनी सलाह मशवरा करके वे 2 बजे बताएंगे। हमारा क्या आज का निर्णय रहेगा, हम 4-5 बजे तक आप लोगों को बता देंगे।
एक्चुअली हम धरने को सस्पेंड करना चाहते हैं भाई, एमएसपी पे क्योंकि बात नहीं माननी की, और अगर एमएसपी की जो कमेटी है उसकी रिपोर्ट को नेगेटिव आ जाती है या एमएसपी लागू नहीं करते तो हमें दोबारा से आंदोलन करना पड़ेगा। और जब दोबारा से आंदोलन करना पड़ेगा, कहीं बाद में ये शर्त ना अड़ा दें कि आपने आंदोलन तो सस्पेंड किया, वापस तो लिया नहीं, इसलिए हम केस वापस नहीं करते। तो वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था, उसको क्लियर करना जरूरी है। उन्होंने कहा धरने उठा लो, केस वापस ले लेंगे। अगर बाद में उन्होंने लटका दिए तो हमारे लिए तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी ना, क्योंकि हम आंदोलन को समाप्त नहीं कर रहे, सस्पेंड कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, क्योंकि एमएसपी पे फैसला होना बाकी है। हम तब तक स्थगित करेंगे जब तक उसकी रिपोर्ट नहीं आती।
From day one, we have never been rigid. From day one, that is 1 year ago, we have made certain very clear demands on which we are very firm, because we genuinely believe that these demands are in the favor of farmers. The MSP issue is also very important for all the farmers of India. You understand? So now some forward movement on that is a must. You see, before this agitation can be withdrawn.
कृषि मंत्री, गृह मंत्री से मिलने की उम्मीद हो सकती है। हम जानते हैं कि हमारी पूरी मांगें नहीं मानी जाएंगी, पर हमको भी लंबा समय हो गया है और संतोष करना पड़ेगा। तो हम जब उनकी बात को मान रहे हैं तो कमेटी की कंडीशन है वो उनको मानना चाहिए।
किसानों को अब और ज्यादा इस मामले में जो लोग बड़गड़ा रहे हैं उनको, या जो लोग उनको गुमराह कर रहे हैं, उनके चक्कर में ना आकर वापस जाना चाहिए और सरकार के साथ वार्ता करनी चाहिए। और सरकार आश्वस्त कर चुकी है, प्रधानमंत्री बोल चुके हैं कि हम किसान के हित में थे हैं और रहेंगे। तो इन्हें शक होना ही नहीं चाहिए कि क्यों नहीं उनके हक की बात सरकार करेगी। पर हर चीज को दबाव बनाकर कराना ये लोकतंत्र के लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है।
Well, at the Singhu border, the prashada, which is also known as the langar, is being served. Everything is ready. Even if the farmers are on the way to make their, are wanting to go back, still prashada is something which they will be serving. They believe no matter when they leave, this is something which should continue. No person should go back empty stomach. That is something. आज भी आप लोगों ने प्रसादा बनाया है।
सब बना।
अभी बातें ऐसी हो रही हैं कि हो सकता है कि किसान यहाँ से उठ के चले जाएं वापस। तब भी आपको लगता है कि खाना आखिरी दिन तक बनेगा?
आखिरी दिन तक भी, और भगवान की कृपा से ये भी नहीं पता 2-3 महीने और भी चले।
अभी आपको पता नहीं है कि क्या होगा?
तो कुछ भी होगा, लेकिन जाएंगे नहीं।
जब तक फाइनल नहीं होगा। और प्रसादा ऐसे ही जो आप
हर रोज बनता है, 24 घंटे लंगर है बाबा जी का, श्री नांदेड़ से श्री हजूर साहब बाबा।
आज आपने क्या क्या बनाया है?
आज चावल बनाए हैं, दाल बनाई है, मीठा प्रसाद है जी, तो प्रसाद है जी, इसको चपाती बोल देते हैं।
तो ये पूरा आपने बनाया है?
हाँ जी, तो हर रोज ही बनता है भगवान। हाँ जी,
और तब तक बनता रहेगा जब तक फाइनली यहाँ से वापस जाने की?
ये तो बनता ही रहेगा। हाँ जी, हाँ।
So, here at the Singhu border, people are still making the prashada, and they say that even though the final call will be taken by evening today, they will continue to serve food till the time the last truck does not move from here. My colleagues Kunal Kumar and Amit Bharadwaj are joining me. Kunal, I believe you are at the Ghazipur border where Rakesh Tikait has been sitting, and Rakesh Tikait in many ways became the face of the protest. Is Rakesh Tikait happy, Kunal, with what the government has to offer?
No, not exactly. What Rakesh Tikait today told India today, that until and unless the demands will be met by the government, they are not going anywhere. And right now, every preparation is going on at Ghazipur border to leave for Singhu border for the crucial 2 p.m. meeting. Even Rakesh Tikait will participate in that meeting. He will be the part of the meeting, and certainly it is one of the most important meetings in last few days, and hence he also he has made it categorically clear that he will raise his own issues there. He is raising quite a few issues, like what will happen to 10-year-old tractors which are being impounded by different government, and even NGT is not allowing them to work. So all these questions will remain there. Even the matter of compensation will be there. MSP, who will be in the committee, that is a very crucial point. What they are telling, that those who have formulated the 3 farm laws, they should not be the part of the committee. So the government should come up with the names which will be the part of the committee on MSP. So all these are quite crucial issues, critical issues, and what indication Rakesh Tikait is giving today, that these talks are still in the initial days, still quite a few issues which are yet to be sorted out, and until and unless all the issues will be sorted out point to point, till then the agitation won't be over. Although he is also telling that 2 p.m. Meeting will be crucial, and at around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. SKM will brief the media about the outcome of today's meeting, but still they are ready for a long haul and they are not going anywhere till there will be a solution from the government side. So he is telling that they are obviously moving towards a solution, but solution has not yet been achieved, and for that government ministers and officers, they have to sit with the farmers, and till the time that will happen, the agitation will continue like it is happening right here.
My other colleague Amit Bharadwaj is joining from right outside AIKS. Now that's the place where most of the farmers were now having a very crucial meeting. Amit, we understand a second proposal has been sent by the centre. We also saw how deliberations went on amongst the farmer leaders for more than 5 hours. Yesterday there were certain sticking points. Are the farmers happy with the second draft which the government has given them?
Aishwarya, as the meeting of the 5-member empowered committee was going on at AIKS office today, and the response to the feedback that was sent by the farm leaders yesterday came, and the centre's new draft proposal has addressed 2 more issues. Number one being that now the centre has agreed for immediate withdrawal of all cases filed against the farmers during this agitation. Number 2 being that Haryana and Uttar Pradesh government have now agreed to give compensation to the farmers, who lost their lives during this agitation. And remember, Punjab has already agreed to this demand. And in fact, they are in the process of disbursing the amount. So these were the 2 important aspects, cases and compensation, which were, where there was no clarity as to by when and how these 2 issues will be cleared by the government. So as far as the new draft proposal sent by the central government is concerned, the central government has in a way agreed to what the farm leaders were demanding. One point that is being deliberated upon as per SKM sources, the 5-member committee is now seeking clarity on the amount as well. Now remember, the central government at different point in time had said that as far as compensation amount is concerned, it is the subject of the state governments, whether it be Punjab, Haryana or UP government. They have to take the final call on the amount of compensation and as to how this compensation will be given to the families of those who had lost their lives during this agitation. But today in the draft proposal, new draft proposal that has been sent by the central government to the 5-member committee of the SKM, there is a clear mentioning of the fact that UP and Haryana will give the compensation to the families, but the amount is being deliberated. Now we'll have to wait and see as to whether the government agrees to the demand or the amount that is being, conveyed by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, that this particular amount should be given to the families of those who lost their lives during this agitation. One more thing, that the SKM meeting that was scheduled, full body meeting that was scheduled for 2 p.m. at Singhu border, it appears that it has been postponed by an hour right now. We are getting to know from our sources that now the full body meeting of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha will happen only at 3 p.m. and that is possibly because the meeting, 5-member committee meeting that is going on here in Delhi is taking much more longer time than what it was projected. So once these 5 members have, met a consensus and there is an understanding with the government of India and the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha 5-member body, they will prepare a document, and that proposal or document will be presented in the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha's full body meeting at Singhu border today around 3 p.m.
Now let's take a look at what the farmers have been demanding and what the government's response has been on those demands. Now the farmers have been demanding a law on MSP and they want a committee to be formed. Now the demand number 2 is the withdrawal of cases against protesters. Now government says that they will withdraw all the cases once the agitation is called off. Farmers' demand number 3 is the compensation for deceased farmers. Government says appropriate compensation has already been given. Demand 4 is the withdrawal of the Electricity Bill 2000. Government says all the stakeholders will be consulted. Demand number 5 is to sack the MOS home Ajay Mishra. In the draft which was sent by the centre to the farmers earlier, there was no mention of sacking MOS Ajay Mishra. Now, they also say, the farmers say that they should decriminalize stubble burning. Government says farmers have been exempt from criminal liability when it comes to stubble burning. Now, at the Singhu border, what the mood is like, we are seeing a lot of farmers who had gone back home, now coming back, and the simple reason is they want to understand what's happening. They also want to be a part of the meeting which is taking place. आप लोग सब यहाँ कितने टाइम से हैं?
आपके जितने तो चल
शुरू से हैं?
शुरू से।
आज एक इम्पोर्टेंट मीटिंग होने वाली है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि एजिटेशन खत्म हो जाएगा, आंदोलन खत्म हो जाएगा?
ਭਾਰਤੀ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਯੂਨੀਅਨ ਏਕਤਾ ਟਿਕਾਉਂਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਸੰਗਰੂਰ ਭਵਾਨੀਗढ़ ਬਲਾਕ ਪਿੰਡ ਮੇਰਾ ਝਨੇੜੀ ਗੁਰਦੇਵ ਸਿੰਘ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ।
तो आपको लगता है कि आंदोलन खत्म होने वाला है?
ਦੌਲਣ ਖਤਮ ਤੇ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਸਾਡੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ 32 ਕਿਸਾਨ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀਆਂ ਦੀ।
मीटिंग चल रही है?
ਹਾਂ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਲਾਨ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਜੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ।
कहेंगे जाना है तो जाएंगे, नहीं जाना है तो नहीं जाएंगे।
ਜੇ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਜਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਰੀ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। 1 ਸਾਲ 12 ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਰੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ, ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ।
Rakesh Tikait is there at the Ghazipur border giving a reaction to the second draft which the centre has given. Kunal,
समाधान तक ये आंदोलन जारी रहेगा, संघर्ष से समाधान तक आंदोलन जारी रहेगा। समाधान चाहते हैं निकले।
तो क्या लगता है क्या कि अब जो आप सिंघू बॉर्डर की तरफ कूच कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी कुछ मसले उठाएंगे जो आए हैं उसके अलावा?
नहीं, वहाँ पे सब लोग बात करते हैं, अपनी इकट्ठी रहते हैं, सब लोग बातचीत करते हैं अपनी, जिसको जो जानकारी होती है वो बात करते हैं, 5 कमेटी के सामने हम रखते हैं।
तो आज 5 बजे जो आप कह रहे थे कि ब्रीफिंग होगी, उसमें कुछ हम
मतलब किस टाइम होगी ब्रीफिंग, वो तो वहीं जाकर पता चलेगा। मतलब किस टाइम तक होगा तो उसके बाद में प्रेस करते हैं, पीसी करते हैं।
नई ड्राफ्ट जो आई है उससे उम्मीद आपको लग रही है क्या कि
अभी जाके वहीं देखेंगे सब क्या है।
आज समाप्त हो सकता है ये उम्मीद आपको आज लगता है कि आज
अभी ना कहो, तुम पहले ना घोषणा करो,
सरकार की तरफ
पहले ना घोषणा करो।
So Aishwarya, Rakesh Tikait is now leaving for Singhu border. We are taking to you the live pictures. He is going towards Singhu border. He is leaving Ghazipur border now, and he will reach in some time, as he has already left. While talking to India Today on the draft proposal which is being sent by the central government just a few hours ago, he told that although there is a positive sign from central government, the proposals which are coming, they have to study all those proposals. They will deliberate among themselves. The 5-member committee is already deliberating over it. And once the 5-member committee will come after the deliberation, they will put each and every point before the general body meeting, which is going to happen in some time at Singhu border. And there, all the nitty-gritties of the proposals will be discussed. And then a decision will be taken. Although he has not clearly said that the agitation will be taken back today or not, but still he is quite hopeful that everything will be sorted out with time. He also mentioned that the new proposals which have come to SKM and the 5-member committee, we have to see in the minutest of the detail whatever are coming from the government, but still it is not final that the agitation is going to be over today. So he has already left. Senior leaders will meet at Singhu border, including Tikait and other leaders like Darshan Pal, Yogendra Yadav, Rajewal. All those leaders will sit together, and even 5-member committee will brief them about the government's proposal and the decision taken by the high-powered committee. So all those will be on the table today while the general body meeting will happen. But right now there is a hope that something positive will come out of the crucial meeting.
sticking talking points as far as the farmers are concerned. Now, some of them are that the farmers want MSP panel shouldn't have those people who were involved in the draft of the 3 farm laws. They also say the MSP panel must only have representatives from the Kisan Morcha. They want the cases against the protesters to be withdrawn first, and only then will the agitation be called off. They want the compensation to the farmers on the lines of the Punjab model. They also say that once the government gives them a new draft, that is when they will do the due deliberation and a new take on in which direction the protest will go, whether they'll call it off or not, will be taken only once the government comes on the table and sits with them once again. That's all that I have from the Singhu border. Over to you in the studio, Nabila.
Well, thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details.